how are you guys doing today? I have an unboxing video for you. Not that I have that many boxes to unbox. I feel like in the YouTube sphere, this is like a, are you really unboxing or are you just like unwrapping one thing? Just so you know, none of this is sponsored. I'm just sharing because I personally really like watching unboxing videos, especially when they're massive. I'm just like, oh my god, where's my tea? So hopefully this video will be your cup of tea as well, okay? So we're gonna start with this little black box. Ooh, okay, so I actually already know what this is because I could tell it's jewelry. I haven't opened it, but I know what this is because they emailed me and said they had a gift for me. And it is jewelry from Dana Vito. Oh my god. And I know that these are handcrafted, by the way, by a Kenyan girl. This is so cute. Okay, I'm wearing these right now. Look at that. Like a little palm. Is that a palm leaf? I don't know, but it's so pretty. Thank you so much. I've also got, let me not do that. I've also got these earrings. I really love that they've got like this hoop detail here because I think it just adds something different. Right, so I've got these. Ring, love it. Oh, and a necklace. I really, look at that, it's a little cactus. I love this and I love how dainty as well it is. Thank you, this is so sweet, thank you. Okay, the next little package is from Bio Oil, right? And it was a Valentine's Day gift, which is so cute. I've actually used bio oil before. I used it quite a bit when I was pregnant. And even before, I used to try and use it here and there. But I haven't used it since because I ran out of the bottle. But I did smear it all over my body when I was pregnant. But I also used other things as well. I'd use like coconut oil, olive oil. So we've got bio oil. Okay, a box of tissues. I wonder if they're the same company, like sister companies. But we've got wipes from Faye and a box of tissues. Eclairs. I haven't had an eclair in so long. Thank you. I'm gonna put these in my bag. Actually, since I'm about to put these in my bag, I'm gonna show you the bag that I recently got and I just started using immediately. It's this beautiful tote from Maison Chateau Rouge. I really hope I pronounced that okay. But it's this French brand that recently partnered up with Sandstone Kenya to create like really cool wax type of print bags. Well, I feel like this sweet will irritate people. It just feels rude if I'm just here chewing on a sweet and talking. Anyway, so they had like a PR type of launch in the first week of February and gifted everyone these totes, if I'm not wrong. And there's another tote that I got like a couple days before that, which is this really cool one from, I don't remember the name and there's no brand, but I believe it's called Karay-On or Karay-On. Oh, I don't know, but I'll find the actual link and I'll try and link everything in the description box so that you know. But what's cool about this bag is that you can have it the reverse way. So you've got it like this and the other way. And these were gifts at Candid Conversations. I think the idea is so cool. I'm not entirely a fan of this specific print. There's some of the prints that the other ladies got and I was like, oh, I really wish I got that one. But I still use it, I've worn it, it works well, and I love that it's the reverse kind. And she's got all sorts of prints, so whether blue is your thing or this kind of psychedelic type of print is your thing, I guess you'd love what she has to offer because she has more muted ones and more fun ones as well. But for some reason, I've really been into totes lately. Actually, it's not for some reason. It's because I've become one of those women who just shove everything into their bags. I start off my week with like lip gloss, wallet, phone. That's all I need. And by the time I'm done, I've got like big boxes of tissue in there. So I got an email from Mercy of Artsy Nairobians, and she said that she had a bunch of artwork to share with me. I didn't know that it would be like this much. Whoa, I don't want to drop my tea. But basically she said that she watches my videos and thought that she would gift me a few of her prints. Oh wow, I do remember what she said in the email now. Now I remember. She said that she had tried to observe what my color scheme is in this room and so wanted to gift me items that would fit into this room. So we've got the first piece. I really like this. I really like this, and I don't know if you can tell, but it's also got like gold accents in it as well. But I love how they're so complimentary. Guys, I don't even know. This is so sweet. Now I just need to figure out ways to hang them up. Oh my goodness! That looks like molten, like gold, like lava. This is beautiful. This would actually be great for a gallery wall. Like if you had one, maybe I should just make this entire space, like this entire wall, a gallery wall. I mean, you've, go above and Beyonce. Like, I feel like Nyla would die to be playing around with all of this right now. She would just be she'd be hyperventilating, like give me all that paper and all that stuff. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, the places you'll go. Oh, the places you'll go. Okay. These guys, Can Reach Your Gold, sent me a package, which I'm so excited about because let me tell you something. I mean, if it wasn't already obvious, I'm not like your alcohol, gin, I don't know, whiskey type of girl. Tea, that's me. I'm all here for tea. So excited about these packages. They sent me chocolate tea. First of all, I'm all about their new packaging. I just think it's so fun. It just makes tea so much better and more enjoyable. They sent me love tea. Ingredients: black tea, vanilla, rose, strawberry, raspberry, and cherry flavors. Ooh. And then the last one is rose tea. I've actually never had, so there's 2 of each. I've actually never had these kinds of teas before, so I am all about this. Thank you so much. I generally really love their, which one is it here? No. Green tea, passion, and jasmine. It's the purple one. It's so good. Whoa. First of all, that was really strong, that first sniff, but it does smell like chocolate. It's so trippy. How can you have chocolate tea? I can't wait to try this and everything else. Thank you guys so much. And then we've got a book. I don't often get books. Actually, no, scratch that. I have in the past few months received, I think like 3 books by Kenyan authors, all of them being female authors, which I'm so proud of. 4 books. There was a children's book as well, yeah. But this is from Mary Plantrell. Explore the Kenyan cuisine, authentic recipes for the home cook. I'm not a home cook, but maybe this will help me a little bit, especially now that I've got to find interesting things for Nyla to eat. And I know I'm not a fan of the kitchen. I don't really care to cook, but I wouldn't mind being really good at something and Nyla just being like, oh my goodness, my mom's pasta and like cheese ball. I don't even know what it is. I just want to perfect one thing so that Nyla can just be like, oh, this, every time I have it, it just tastes like home. It doesn't matter where I'm at. My mom's is the best version of it. So hopefully I'll be good at something. Oh, that's actually cool. So it's not just recipes, but you've also got like nature. Interesting. Beef pilau. I didn't even know how to make pilau, if I'm being honest. Thank you, Mary. Okay, one last thing. So this, if I'm being honest, this was sent to me a month and a half ago, a while back. And I forgot about it because it was under like my, the section where I've got like toys and stuff, like toy boxes, like my Taboo board game. So it's this Au Natural. I'm pretty certain it's pronounced like that, right? Or Au Natural, but I think it's Au Natural. I don't know why I try and sound French and everything, but it's a bunch of hair products that I guess is ideal for natural hair and helps infuse moisture. I haven't tried any of these out, but I did receive a while back, like a few months ago, a couple of their products, and I just gave it to my sister because I thought, well, I don't really have natural hair. But now that I'm trying to make sure that my hair has more moisture and my scalp isn't so dry, I'm now happy to try some of these out. So I'm glad that I discovered this all over again. So in here we have got the Moisture Replenishing Shampoo. We've also got the Anti-Itch Scalp Soother. I think I actually could use that. We've got the 3-in-1 Cleansing Conditioner. Washes, detangles, and treats. No sulfate. I'm pretty loyal to the brands that I use and that work for my hair, specifically my hair. But I think I might try something new just because my scalp needs extra loving. And then we've got the Wash Free Braid Refresher. And then we've got, what is that? Natural, is that French? That's French. This is, sorry, wrong language. Afro Moisturizing Butter. Oh, I feel like I need to give this to like my sister and to Tatiana, or Modi. Maybe Mundia and Tatiana. I need to spice things up when it comes to my hair, that's for sure. And I even said it a while back that I want to be more experimental with my hair. And that doesn't mean I'm about to go natural. But I don't know, just have a little bit more fun with my hair. Anyway, thank you guys. If you used Au Natural and you like it, let me know. Let us all know if you think it's worth trying. Okay, is that it? Yeah, that's it. I've cleared everything in my little mini unboxing haul. I want to say a thank you, a big thank you to everyone who were so sweet and kind enough to share your products and your art or your jewelry with me. I appreciate it, especially, and I'm not trying to be biased, but especially things that come from my viewers. That melts my heart. I will leave everyone's details in the description box should you be interested in purchasing anything for yourself. But for now, I'm going to continue eating my eclair, which I took out, and I will say goodbye. Thanks for watching. Bye!